प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी ने विज्ञान भवन में कॉमनवेल्थ लीगल एजुकेशन एसोसिएशन यानी CLEA, कॉमनवेल्थ अटॉर्नी और सॉलिसिटर जनरल कॉन्फ्रेंस यानी CASGC 2024 के उद्घाटन समारोह में शिरकत की। इस दौरान उन्होंने कहा कि मैं आप सभी से आग्रह करता हूं कि आप अतुल्य भारत का पूरा अनुभव लें। उन्होंने कहा कि 21वीं सदी की चुनौतियों में 20वीं सदी के नजरिए से नहीं लड़ा जा सकता है। इस पर पुनर्विचार यानी रीथिंक, पुनर्कल्पना यानी री इमेजिनेशन और सुधार यानी रिफॉर्म की जरूरत है। भारत भी वर्तमान वास्तविकताओं को प्रतिबिंबित करने के लिए कानूनों का आधुनिकीकरण कर रहा है। अब 3 नए कानूनों ने 100 साल से अधिक पुराने औपनिवेशिक आपराधिक कानूनों की जगह ले ली है। सुनिए पीएम मोदी ने इस दौरान और क्या कुछ कहा।
More women into every domain. The first step to do so is to make each domain inclusive at the educational level. When the numbers of women in law schools increases, the numbers of women in the legal profession will also increase. Participants in this conference can exchange ideas on how more women can be brought into legal education. Friends, the world needs young legal minds who have diverse exposure. Legal education also needs to adapt to changing times and technologies. Our focus on understanding the latest trends in crime, investigation, and evidence will be helpful. Friend, there is a need to help young legal professionals with greater international exposure. Our finest law universities can strengthen exchange programs between countries. For example, India has perceived the world's only university dedicated to forensic science. Students, law faculty, and even judges from various countries can be helped to explore short courses here. Further, there are many international institutions related to justice delivery. Developing countries can work together to get greater representation in them. Our students can also be helped to find internship at such institutions. This will enable our legal system to learn from international best practices. Friends, India inherited a legal system from colonial times, but in the last few years, we made a number of reforms to it. For example, India had done away with thousands of obsolete laws for colonial times. Some of these laws had the potential to become tools of harassment of people. This has boosted ease of living and ease of doing business. India is also modernizing laws to reflect the present realities. Now, the 3 new legislations have replaced more than 100-year-old colonial criminal laws. Earlier, the focus was on punishment and penal aspects. Now, the focus is on encouraging justice. Therefore, citizens have a sense of assurance rather than fear. Friends, technology can also have a positive impact on justice system. In the last few years, India has used drones to map places and provide clear property cards to rural people. Disputes reduce, the possibility of litigation reduces, and the justice system load decreases, making it more efficient. Digitization has also helped many courts in India take proceedings online. This has helped people access justice even from far away locations. India is happy to share its learning in this regard with our countries. We are also keen to learn about similar initiatives in other countries. Friends, every challenge in justice delivery can be addressed, but the journey starts with one shared value. We must share a passion for justice. May this conference strengthen the spirit. Let us build a world where everyone has access to timely justice and none is left behind. Thank you. Thank you very much.
ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, इंडिया पब्लिक खबर। इसी के साथ इस खबर में अभी के लिए बस इतना ही। देश और दुनिया की बाकी खबरों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें इंडिया पब्लिक खबर के YouTube चैनल को और बेल आइकन दबाएं ताकि चैनल से जुड़ी सारी लेटेस्ट अपडेट्स आप तक वक्त से पहुंच पाएं।